What's happening, dogs? Mr. Allen here. We're about to write this quadratic equation in vertex form, and we're going to do so by completing the square. So to do that, I need to get my constant over to the other side of the equation there with that f of x. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. So I'm going to have f of x minus 3 equals x squared, and actually I want to leave a little space here, plus blank for completing the square. Almost forgot, man. All right, I get x squared plus 10x plus blank. Now, to figure out what number goes in that blank, I'm going to need to divide that 10 by 2 and square it. So 10 divided by 2 squared equals, that's 5 squared, which is 25. So 25 is going to go in this blank, and it's going to go in this blank right here. If I add it to both sides, that equation is balanced, right? And I use that number there because it's going to allow me to factor that right-hand side into x plus 5 times x plus 5, or x plus 5 quantity squared, to get me into vertex form, or nearly into vertex form. So now I have f of x, and then we have negative 3 plus 25, that's what, plus 22? And then I'm going to have x plus 5 quantity squared, as we said. And now I can just do one last mathematical move right now and subtract 22. I'm going to have f of x equals, and it'll be x plus 5 quantity squared minus 22. That right there, folks, is vertex form, right? I can get my vertex quickly from that. It's negative 5 comma negative 22. That's the purpose of being in vertex form. I get that quick vertex. Standard form, I get my y-intercept really easily by pulling in 0, and I'm going to get 0 comma 3 from that initial standard form. Vertex form gives you the vertex. All right? They all have their purpose, and that's dope.